Hello and welcome to Extreme World. Even in the last 50 years, the people of India have not seen such a terrible flood. Heavy floods and landslides have created a dire situation in many parts of Uttar Pradesh, India. Even India's states of Himachal Pradesh, including Delhi, Punjab, Gujarat, Kashmir, and Haryana, have been devastated. However, several regions of Uttarakhand, India, have been worst affected. As time increases, the intensity of water also increases there. And with that, the intensity of the water current is increasing. From the city of Delhi in India to the remote rural areas have been inundated by this flood. Several parts of India have become desolate due to heavy rainfall and intensity of rains. Even the angry snakes and crocodiles are floating in the flood water. The people there are disorientated with fear. So far, more than 600 people have been injured and sick due to terrible landslides and floods. More than 300 people died, and more than 400 houses have been destroyed by this terrible flood. Traffic has been stopped on the road. In the blink of an eye, one car after another. Houses, schools, colleges, offices, courts, and big buildings are being washed away. Faced with a terrible disaster, the life journey of the people there. At first, many people thought it was a normal flood, but now they think that this is not an ordinary flood. But this flood is enough to push people to death.
Esos son 15.
This is such a terrible flood that India has never experienced before, due to which people are so ignorant about this flood. Before they knew it, landslides and floodwaters left them destitute. The floodwater has taken such a terrible form that all the houses are drowning in the floodwater instantly. For several days, this flood has taken such a terrible form that there is no space to tell. Several states of North India have now turned into dilapidated states. Himachal Pradesh has suffered the most.
Madre mía, qué angustia. Qué angustia, macho.
The water level has risen so much that it has broken the 50-year record for the highest water level. Somewhere the water comes suddenly and houses and cars sink. Even this flood has become so terrible that the Manis in the previous village cannot recognize whether it is a village or a river. Just think of the terrible situation India has faced and the terrible condition of its people today. "15 teams of National Disaster Response Force are working to evacuate people from flooded areas of the city." On the other hand, Himachal State received an average of 95 mm of rain in a day, which was the first time in 50 years. In all, 13 bridges in Himachal, 76 roads have collapsed, and 1667 water projects or dams have become ineffective in India. Power supply has been disrupted in several areas. Due to these floods and landslides, the communication system has been cut off in various places. Even thousands of people have lost electricity due to uprooted electricity poles on the roads. Looking at all the states of India at the moment, it is understood that the worst situation is in the state of Himachal Pradesh. India's Manali, Kulu, Chamba, Kinnaur rivers experienced flash floods and massive landslides occurred in the mountains, breaking one dam after another in the torrential river flow. The water of many rivers, including Shatadru, Bipasha, Chandrabhaga, is flowing above the danger limit. Now the only hope of the people of India is the Lord. Thank you for watching the video till the end.